Hello. Today we're learning about the phrase foist somebody upon somebody. This means to force someone unwanted on another person. Think of it as pushing someone on someone else without their choice. For example, they foisted their noisy friend upon us. It's usually negative because it causes annoyance. You cannot separate the object from the verb and preposition. Say, foist somebody upon somebody, not foist upon somebody. You can use it when talking about people or sometimes responsibilities. For example, the manager foisted an employee upon the team. Or, don't foist your problems upon me. It's a useful phrase when you want to talk about unfair imposition. Remember, it's formal or informal, but often shows displeasure. Similar phrases are impose on or dump on, but foist upon is more specific. Try to use it when someone is unfairly forced on others. Now, try this sentence. They foisted their cousin upon us. Great. Keep practicing and you'll use this phrase naturally. Thanks for watching. See you next time.